As a fresher, you often experience a lot of anxiety before you go to attend an interview. The solution to this anxiety is good preparation. Here, I have explained you one of the most important interview question which you can expect to be asked during your interview with the way to answer it. So in the last, I will give you a perfect example of answering this question. If you are new to our channel, then don't forget to subscribe us. Tell me something about yourself. This is the most commonly asked first question in any interview and the one of which can set a ground for rest of your interview. Include details like your education background, some information about your family, father's profession, mother's profession, number of siblings, and some information about your extracurricular activities or hobbies. In this, even you can add additional courses which you did recently and should be related to your education field. It will give you extra advantage over the others and increase the chance of getting placed. First thing before you answer this question is to greeting them, because he is giving you chance to get placed and it also shows a positive image in front of them. After that, if the interviewer asks this question by putting your name in it, then you shouldn't start your answer by calling your own name as he already know it. So directly starting with the place you belong and education. Now, while telling about your family, you can add name of a known person who is right now sailing with their company. For that, they might ask you his or her rank and sometimes phone number also. It always a best option to tell your reference name while giving interview. We all know reference plays an important role in Merchant Navy. After that, ending this question by telling your life goals and how your life goals indirectly benefit organization in the future. These can be short-term and long-term goals. In the last, you can end it by hobbies. Remember, hobbies should be interesting and you should know something about it too. Now, as I promised for an example, here it is. Good morning, sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity where I can introduce myself. My name is Dash and I am from Dash. I did my graduation in marine engineering from one of the reputed DG shipping approved A1 grade college Dash. There I secured overall CGPA of 8.54. In my family, I have an elder brother and my father is a businessman and my mother is a housewife. I also have a cousin brother who is right now sailing in your good company on the vessel Dash as a second engineer. My strength is I am a quick learner. As a fresher, I am always interested in learning new things and gain knowledge. So few months back, I did Dash course from Dash Private Limited located near Goa Port. It is managed by young chief engineers and second engineer. There, I have overall onboard machineries like purifier, turbocharger, pump, auxiliary engine decap, etc. Apart from this, I was also creating writing content for the company Dash and later I got promoted to a senior rank in their organization. My short-term goal is to get a job in a reputed shipping company and long-term goal is to achieve a good position where I can build my career and help organization too. My hobbies are playing basketball and swimming. Now, you can fill these dash by putting your own details. For more updates about new video uploading and website posts, you can directly follow me on my Telegram group Marine Red Fox. Link is in the description box.